Hey queens, what is up? As you can see, my hair is dusty looking and dry. So what is up for me? Today is going to be a wash day. I'm going to do my very first shampoo day. And I needed my shampoo. So I knew someone was going to be in the Sisterlocks starter kit. But I don't know what else is in it. So I said, let's do an unboxing together. Okay, let's unbox. So this is the Sisterlocks kit. And I have not opened it yet, so let's see what's in it. All right. We've got our Sisterlocks starter shampoo. And my consultant told me to put this in a little spray bottle, mix it with some water, and then just kind of spray and massage it in and everything, and then really rinse it out really good, especially in the back areas. Because the back of my hair is really loose, so she said I have to really concentrate on making sure I rinse everything out. Otherwise, I risk leaving some product in, which makes it like an attractant for lint. You don't want lint to get in your locks. All right, so we've got some rubber bands for braiding and banding. So I'm gonna be looking like a little girl today, boo. Yeah. I heard some people say that once they run out of these, they do go get some black ones. I don't know if I'm sure my hair's not jet black. I'm like a number 2, number 4 when I go get weaves and stuff. So if I get black, I should be able to see it pretty good to be able to remove it. But this, you'll definitely be able to see. What else do we have here? Okay, a little card with instructions. It says bundle sections for extra protection, braid each section, then tuck in and secure with rubber bands. Wet hair thoroughly, moderate water pressure. Apply Sisterlocks starter shampoo directly to the scalp around and through each bundle, then gently washing. Motion is one direction only, scalp to tip, scalp to tip. Rinse, resuds if necessary. Towel dry, undo the bundles and separate the locks. I'm gonna have to really make sure I separate the locks because I feel like mine want to just get married. They love each other so much, and I'm gonna have to make sure I really go through and separate each section because I don't want them to get married. What do we have here? Helpful tips for your Sisterlocks. I'm going to read this later. I'm not going to bore you guys with this little pamphlet, but that's what that is in there. And let us acknowledge you as a member of our growing Sisterlocks family. And it's got an envelope attached to it, so let's see what we've got in here. Get your official Sisterlocks birth certificate. Oh, let's try that again. Get your official Sisterlocks birthday certificate free. So you mail this in and you get your little birth certificate. So mine was born on September 25th, which is really cool. That also is a really important day for us in my household because we call it Frankie Freedom Day. And basically, me and my husband, we researched his side of the family because our last name is really unique on his side. However, my maiden last name is Jones, and we didn't get too far with that on Ancestry.com. But his last name is really unique, and we were able to find out all of his ancestors back to like the 1700s. And one of the days is they were slaves, and on September 25th, she got her freedom. When the will of her master died, he died, so he granted her his freedom. He granted her freedom in the will. So we consider that to be Frankie Freedom Day, and that's also the day I got my locks fully installed. So it's also Niecy Freedom Day as well. So yeah, I'll be getting my birth certificate. I don't know if it's something that you hang up on a wall though. I don't know about all that, but yeah. If you guys have any questions about the starter kit, let me know down below. The earrings of the day for today say, don't touch my hair. This does come in black, which I'm wearing, brown, and a natural color. So I'll put the link down below if you're interested in those earrings. And I'm going to tell you guys, give me a thumbs up on this video. Comment something if you guys, have you had your Sisterlocks starter kit? If so, did you get the same stuff I got? Is it a little different? What's the deal? Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll talk to you queens later in my next video, but I've got to go figure out how to braid and band this so I can shampoo it so we can get rid of all this dusty, dirty, not so cute look. Talk to you guys in the next video. Love ya.